Welcome on Bana Classes YouTube channel, and I Navkant Misra with you to discuss product of algebraic expression. Hope you have to enjoy this session. My dear student, while doing the multiplication of the algebraic expression, you have to know about that the terms are very important, and you know very well that terms contains numerical factors and literal factors. So while doing the operations of the multiplication, you have to multiply its numerical factors at first, and after that you have to multiply its literal factors. For example, you can just check that 3x has to multiply by 5y, and in this case you know that numerical factor is 3 and numerical factor is 5 in this case. So you have to multiply 3 into 5, and after that you have to multiply its literals, that means x into y. So you can write easily 15, because 3 into 5 is equal to 15, and x multiplied by y, that is xy. Similarly, in this case you can just see that 2 is multiplied by minus 3, and this is why you can write 2 into minus 3, and after that you have to multiply its literals, means a into b, and what will be its result? 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6, and when a is multiplied by b, then its result is ab. So in both the cases, at first you have to multiply its numerical factors, and then you have to multiply its literal factors. A third case is when any questions has been given in this form, and what is its meaning? Actually its meaning is 2a into 2a, and after that you know very well that 2 into 2, 4, and a into a square. Actually it follow a formula a to the power m into a to the power n, and which is equal to m plus n. So when you multiply such type of term, x multiplied by x square multiplied by x cube, actually bases are same. This is why undergo multiplication you have to add its exponents, and that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, and you can just write actually 6. That is the final result of this multiplication. You have to multiply. It contains 3 terms: a square, 2a square whole square, and 4 to the power 26. Actually at first you have to simplify it, because 2a square whole square can be written as 2a square into 2a square, and you know very well that 2 into 2 is 4, a square into a square can be written as a to the power 2 plus 2, or it can be written as a to the power 4. So its result is 4a to the power 4 into 4a to the power 26. You have to multiply its numericals 1 into 4, that is 4. You may write 1 into 4 into 4, and then you have to multiply a square into a to the power 4 into a to the power 26, and if you multiply it, then you get 16 into a to the power 2 plus 4 plus 26, and that is the result is 16a to the power 32. My dear student, in this question at first you have to multiply, and after that you need to find out the values by putting x is equal to 1. So at first you need to multiply, and how you multiply? At first you multiply its numerical factors, and what is numerical factor in this term? 1, in this term 7, in this term 1 upon 5, and in this term minus 6. So at first you have to multiply its numerical factor, then you have to multiply its literals, and that is x cube into x to the power 5, x squared into x to the power 4. And you know very well that you need to multiply, and you get minus 42 upon 5. and this one is 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4, and what will be the final result? X to the power 14. Now putting x is equal to 1, then minus 42 upon 5x to the power 14 can be written as minus 42 upon 5 1 to the power 14, and you know very well that minus 42 upon 5, and when 1 to the power 14, then it can be written as 1, and so final result is minus 42 upon 5. Here some student can use here multiply sign also, so its final result is minus 42 upon 5. My dear student, you can just see the another example. I have to multiply minus 3a into minus 4ab into 7a squared b square, and you know that at first I have to multiply its numerical factor, minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 7, then literals are of 2, a and b, so I have multiplied separately a into a square, and after that I have multiplied b into b square, and after calculation we have just get 84 a to the power 4 b cube, and when I put the value of a is equal to 0.5 and b is equal to 1, then result is 21 upon 4. 0.5 means 1 upon 2. So in place of 0.5 you may write 1 upon 2. And in this question it has given that 0.5 to the power 4, it means actually 1 upon 2 to the power 4, and that means 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, and it can be written as 1 upon 16. So you have to put 1 upon 16 in place of 0.5 to the power 4. My dear student, this is another type of the questions, and in this question you have to prove that minus 7 upon 3 ABC multiplied by 3 upon 2 BC is equal to 3 upon 2 BC multiplied by minus 7 upon 3 ABC. To prove this question, you have to multiply separately its LHS and RHS, and after that you have to show that LHS is equal to RHS. My dear student, for this purposes I have just multiplied LHS, minus 7 upon 3 ABC multiplied by 3 upon 2 BC. So numerical factor is multiplied by numerical factor, minus 7 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 2, and its literals ABC is multiplied by BC. Here you can just see that 3 cancel, and this is why I have just written minus 7 upon 2, and a has been written. When b is multiplied by b, you know very well that when b is multiplied by b, then its power is added, and its power is 2, so it has been written b squared. Similarly, when c is multiplied by c, then c to the power 1 plus 1 and c squared, so it has been written c squared. Similarly, you have to multiply its RHS parts, and after the multiplication you get the similar result, minus 7 upon 2 ab squared c squared, and this means that LHS is equal to RHS. My dear student, in this question at first you need to multiply all the 4 terms, and after multiplication you need to put the value of x, y, z that is given, and then after you need to put the value of x, y and z, and after that you need to get the value of LHS and RHS. If both are equal, then that will be the verification of this question. My dear student, I have just multiplied these 4 terms, and after the multiplication, when you multiply, then you get 48 upon 5, x to the power 5, y to the power 5 and z to the power 4. To check this question, you need to put the value of x, y and z in LHS, and this one is LHS and this one is actually RHS. So you have to put separately in LHS and RHS. I have just put the value of x, y, z in LHS, and after putting the value, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 upon 2, and z is equal to 1 upon 3, then I just get 1 upon 270. When I put the value of x, y, z in RHS part of this solution, then again I get 1 upon 270, and this proves that LHS is equal to RHS, and that is the verification of this question. My dear student, in the next video I will discuss different types of multiplication of algebraic expression. Keep watching Bandhana Classes YouTube channel. Thank you very much.